guys, our next box is the 2013 Panini Black. Alright, our first card is a Jared Allen, numbered to 399. Our next card is a Jimmy Graham, numbered to 399. Our next card is a Margus Hunt rookie for the Bengals, numbered to 399. Our next card is a Ryan Spadola rookie, numbered to 399. Our next one is a Tim Jennings for the Bears, numbered to 399. Next card is a Cam Newton, numbered to 49. Next one is a Keenan Allen patch autograph, numbered to 299 for the Chargers. We have a redemption for the 49ers, Marcus Lattimore shadow box signature jerseys. And our next one is for the Raiders, a Nick Casca rookie auto, numbered to 199. And for the Dolphins, a Brian Hartline jersey, numbered to 299. And a Landry Jones jersey, numbered to 299. Steelers. And a Metal Rookies, Landry Jones, numbered to 2. Oh, they're not numbered, are they? Nope. The metal card. Alright, be back at the 2014.